Before you launch your next online course, you need to watch this video. Most people think building an e-learning site on WordPress is a total technical nightmare, but just a mess of clunky dashboards and endless plugins. But honestly, that has just changed because we are officially in an era of Tutor LMS 4.0. And after testing this update by myself, I can tell you that this is the biggest overhaul in the history of this platform. Whether you are a coach, a business owner, or an agency building sites for clients, the game has changed. We are talking about a complete redesign of the student experience, AI that literally builds the entire curriculum for you, and a mobile interface that actually feels like a native app. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what's new and why this might be the only tool that you need to run a six-figure education business. Now, if you are new here, Tutor LMS is a powerhouse WordPress plugin that lets you create, sell, and manage unlimited courses right on your WordPress website. Unlike platforms like Udemy or Teachable, where they take a cut of your sales and own your data, but Tutor LMS gives you total control. You own the site, you own the student list, and you keep all the profit. Let's start with the biggest update in this version 4.0 is this learner experience. The student dashboard has been completely reimagined. When your students log in, now they are not just looking at a boring list of links. They are getting this modern centralized hub where they can find their enrolled courses. They can explore different courses. Let's start with the biggest update in this version 4.0, which is the learner experience. The student dashboard has been completely reimagined. So when your students log in now, they are not just looking at a boring list of links. They get this modern centralized hub where they can find their enrolled courses, their progress tracking, and even upcoming content, all of it exactly at one place. But the real magic happens inside the lessons. They have now introduced this learner first experience that solves the biggest problem in online education, which is distraction. So students can now take notes and even join discussions. They can join discussions, check out different resources, and even leave comments without ever leaving the lesson player. So no more switching tabs or losing your place. It keeps people engaged, which means much higher completion rates for your courses. Now, speaking of engagement, so let's talk about the mobile experience. So traditionally, LMS plugins struggled on phones because they were just like responsive websites, but Tutor LMS 4.0 has been rebuilt to feel like a native mobile application. The navigation is smooth, the controls are touch friendly, and the best part, your students don't even have to download anything from an app store. It just works perfectly in their mobile browser. Now, if you have ever noticed that students are dropping off because your content felt a little dry, well, in that case, you are going to love this new quiz overhaul because they have added 5 brand new highly visual quiz types, bringing the total quiz types to 13. So you can see there are these 2 types of quiz. There is interactive and then there is basic. So now you can challenge your students with puzzles, with map-ins, with graphs, and even with drawing tasks as well. And it honestly turns a boring assessment into an interactive game. Now, if you are a parent or an educator working with younger students, there is even a brand new kids mode. This is a dedicated playful interface designed specifically to keep children focused and entertained while they learn. It is the kind of detail that you just don't see in other WordPress LMS tools. But if you have not even built your course yet, this is where AI Studio comes in. And it's honestly a bit scary that how fast this is. So using this AI Studio, you can generate entire online courses, including topics, the lessons, and even featured images as well from one single prompt. And in this version 4.0, they have taken one step further with AI generated quizzes. You just pick your topic, you choose the difficulty level, and tell the AI how many questions you want, and it builds the whole thing for you in just literally few seconds. For those of you running professional or corporate trainings, compliance is usually a huge headache, but this version 4.0 has now built-in GDPR and privacy support. So you get native consent management and activity logs that you can export as a CSV, and you don't need any extra plugin to stay legal, which is a massive win if you're selling in the EU. They have also made a big push for accessibility. There are now built-in filters for color vision deficiency, a high contrast mode, and ability to toggle between light and dark themes. So this ensures your course is inclusive for every single learner, no matter their needs. Now, I know some of you are thinking that if I upgrade my existing site, is this going to break everything? Well, there's a full auto migration tool that handles the move to 4.0 for you. It is also fully compatible with the latest WordPress themes and SEO tools like Yoast and Rank Math. Beyond the new features, the core of Tutor LMS is still as solid as ever. You get a drag and drop course builder, advanced reporting to see exactly how your sales are doing, and seamless integration with WooCommerce or paid membership pro for your payments. You can sell one-time purchases, monthly subscriptions, or even course bundles as well. So if you have been waiting for the right time to move your courses over to WordPress or to finally start the coaching business that you have been dreaming about, then this is it. So whether you're a solo creator or a large university, this update sets a new standards for what's possible with online learning. So just go ahead, grab your license and start building. And I seriously cannot wait to see the courses that you are going to create. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.